A message meant to find you right now is that you might feel stuck right now, but there are so many choices on the horizon. Like you feel like, why can't, like, I just cannot figure out what to do. It's like, just keep swimming, baby. Keep swimming. Your mind is about to open up for you. The universe is about to open up for you. Abundance is about to flow to you. And you're about to have so many choices on how that abundance comes in that you are probably gonna be like, wow, I didn't even know all of this was out here. I didn't even know all this was necessary. I see that through the expansion of your mind comes choices, comes opportunity. So don't worry if things are cloudy right now. They should be. They should be because this expansion is what's meant to open up things for you. Whether that's a mental expansion, whether that's a move, just know it's here for you though. Anyways,